Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning Daytona Grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road. And at the time of this recording, the vehicle has just done 46,410 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5 parallel spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit does display key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 12-volt charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the manual gearbox, an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with the controls to the MMI multimedia display, and under the armrest with 2 USB charging points. This car is available to purchase on site today.